guys, welcome to this week's Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. We're up here with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Speed, and it looks to me like what put you in the Hall of Fame a little bit. Pulled pork?
Yep, pulled pork. What I do is I like the sirloin end of the loins. That's what I like to make my pulled pork out of. You can use shoulder and whatever you want to, but this has got enough fat in it that you don't really have to throw anything away, but it makes for nice, juicy, flavorful meat. And what we do is we season it up with Cookies Flavor Enhancer and all-purpose seasoning, season it up, and then we'll smoke it for probably about 6 to 8 hours. And then we bag it. We smoke it around 250, 275, but we want to get it up to about 165, and then we bag it and tie the bag shut, and then we hold it overnight at 180, and the next morning it just falls apart. And
Wow.
with the boneless rib end, you don't have a lot of fat to get rid of. And then my preferred sauce on this is our sweet hickory.
Well, that's my favorite. Excellent. Now that Korean sauce has kind of got me. It's moved up. That he just launched this new Korean sauce, and it's amazing. But the sweet hickory's always been one of my favorites. That and the original.
But I'll tell you what, I made a batch of pulled pork the other day and used that Korean sauce, and that was really tasty
I
too.
can imagine.
Yeah.
That stuff's amazing, folks. that
But
Korean sauce.
this here, it just fall apart tender, as you can see.
Now, is that your favorite pork product, or is it ribs?
I probably like pulled pork better than I do ribs.
Yeah.
But I mean, we do, every weekend, we'll do probably from 200 to 500 racks of ribs every weekend.
Yeah.
And you know, good ribs are hard to beat. I mean, it's, you look at them and smell that smoke coming off of them and stuff.
How many pulled pork sandwiches do you give away a year?
Well,
100,000?
yeah, like at Pork Expo, I mean, just those 3 days there were, like 7,000.
Isn't that amazing?
Just that. And then we do a fundraiser for New Hope in Carroll usually every year. So, you get rid of a lot of it. But certainly appreciate all the folks staying in the sauce, cookie sauce, that is.
Yeah. Let's get that plate over here.
Oh, sure. You're going to pull the old trick again.
Yeah, I am, man, I tell you. Go ahead.
I'll get this plated up.
I got to get my fork. That's all I'm worried about right now.
I'll tell you what, folks, you'll really enjoy it. This is really good. I'll tell you what, it just melt in your mouth tender. Now you snuck in on me.
No, I did. I'll get around you.
But that is juicy and tender. Mighty good.
That's actually one of my favorite things he does is his pulled pork. It's amazing. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this week's Cookies Barbecue Sauce Outdoors Traditions Kitchen. If you can, go check out this new sauce at cookiesbarbecue.com. It's amazing. We'll see you next time, folks. That's sweet.